I'm very busy. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Anki and Isu. I'm Anki and today we are traveling to one of the iconic place for children and for adults as well, and it is Yarra Valley Chocolate Factory. So I'll take you along what's inside Chocolate Factory. I heard that we can eat free of like chocolate. I'm very excited and let's check in. We are inside the factory of Yarra Valley Chocolate Factory, and there are shops, cafes, and lots of cute things like such as this one. So I like ginger and lemongrass tea, and there is like coca inside. So I think it should be nice. It smells good. And there are like few books, chocolate, customs, gifts, and everything chocolate. What else you need? Yarra Valley is one of the famous places to visit in Victoria, Australia because of the valley's scenery, art, and food and wine. Aside from its amazing landscape and wines, the valley also have a must-visit chocolate factory. It takes an hour of scenic drive from Melbourne Central Business District, plus free entry and free chocolate tasting. We can taste three chocolate types in Yarra Valley Chocolate and Ice Cream Factory, that is dark, white, and brown.
How much is 56%. Alright, you can be very full of that. Yeah. You're more than welcome. You have a lovely afternoon. Thank you so much.
Yum.
That's a good job there.
So I'm trying white chocolate, and it's a chocolate. It's sweet and nice. You can try it. Just ask her. She'll give it. The chocolate factory has more than 250 varieties handcrafted chocolate with sustainably sourced cacao. Now, if you love chocolates, you can satisfy your sweet tooth here. I can see so many varieties of chocolate here, and it costs around $11.95, $14.95. Normally, the price is around $15. Now, after exploring and satisfying your sweet tooth, I assume that you are tired. They have a cafe inside where you can order breakfast or light lunch, or simply hang out with a friends or family or whoever you are with over a cup of coffee and hot chocolate. They're in a line in a queue waiting for our chocolate and coffee. The factory also has a tasty ice cream, and they give you more than a standard scoop. I ordered just two scoops of ice cream and I was already full. Apart from their chocolate and ice cream, they also have different range of product. So do you need hand cream? Do you need hand cream? Chocolate therapy hand cream. Please. Smells good. It smells so good, like seriously so good. It's vanilla. I heard that Chocolate Factory also conducts classes and workshops on how to create chocolates. Unfortunately, this was a spontaneous trip. Also due to pandemic, I wasn't able to experience the chocolate making course. However, I enjoyed a lot with my friends exploring varieties of chocolates, eating ice cream and drinks, and it was a fun trip. It's so cold here, but we couldn't resist to eat ice cream. I ate like two scoops of ice cream, but my voice is already down. Anyway, this is a playground for children, and um, whenever there is a weekend, so it's a nice place to come here and play and eat ice cream and chocolates. It's not that bigger as I had assumed. It's small, but it was quite enjoyable because we have so many children. Parents are here, and we enjoyed a lot. And I hope you enjoyed too. If you like more of this kind of video, keep in touch. I will be posting again soon. Bye bye.
Yeah, that was good.